expected that she will make it, but we pray for God to give us.
When we got married, we had nothing but worked hard to bring up your brothers and sisters. I thank God that you left each of them stable, and the kids and I will build from where you left us.
He cared for this country, and you can notice this when you speak to people who worked with him, and it's a resoundingly constant theme. His devotion for this country led him to strive harder. I guess it's a soldier thing. You die fighting for your country. So be it, we accept.
For the last 1.5 years, I have found in you a loving father, a jovial friend, a strict disciplinarian, a stickler to process and procedure, and above all, and unknown to many, an extremely humorous boss.